What you're seeing now is the HCSS software, and let's get you through it. So first, you need to log into your HCSS dashboard, whether it's for heavy job, heavy bid, or safety. So for heavy job, go to daily diary to input job site data. You need to input your label hours, equipment usage, and materials. In heavy bid, you should start building estimates by importing bid items, applying crews, and adjusting costs. The bid review tab lets you fine tune your final numbers. So, using HCCS for safety, you should create safety meetings, log incidents, and track compliance reports with just a few clicks. Now, if you want to go mobile, then use HCSS apps in the field to submit time cards, capture photos, and update progress in real time. Head to reports to generate dashboards on productivity, cost, or safety trends, and don't forget to integrate with accounting tools like Viewpoint or QuickBooks for smooth back office workflows.